I'm Lydia, and today I'm going to show you the very latest safety system from Answer Door Systems. It's called RollSmart, and it's a state-of-the-art next-generation safe edge system, designed to deliver the highest level of safety in real-world situations. Reliability and simple installation are assured, and it fits single, double and compact roller garage doors. Let's start with this door, which has been fitted ready for the RollSmart installation. Control units will either be sent out in brown boxes with a single sensor for single doors, or white boxes with two sensors for double doors. For convenience, the box doubles as a fitting template. Just chop off the top. I'm now going to be joined by Steve Pincher, the creator of RollSmart, who's going to carry out our installation. Steve is now marking the fixings of the control unit at the height of 1.6 metres, out of the reach of any children. The wall can then be drilled, ready for the fixings supplied. The lens can be easily removed by just squeezing the sides and pulling away. To remove the cover, pull off the trim and slacken the screws slightly. The controller can now be fixed to the wall using the screws provided. We now connect in the motor lead. The connections are green and yellow to earth, motor blue wire to N3. As this is a left-hand motor installation, the brown motor wire connects to L1 and the black motor wire connects to L2. The power supply is now connected to the mains terminals. Make sure the power is turned off and then connect the green and yellow wire to earth, the brown wire to live and the blue wire to neutral. This test unit has been connected to suit a right-hand motor installation. As you can see, the auto locks are not yet connected. The universal motor plate allows the manual override to be fitted horizontally, vertically, or at an angle. The motor has two limit switch adjustments, and you'll notice they have a curved eyebrow symbol. By rotating the adjuster to the plus direction, the door travel is extended. Or vice versa, by rotating the adjuster to the negative direction, door travel is reduced. There are also two arrow indicators which show direction of the roller barrel rotation. To help with limit switch setting, option switch 3 should be turned on, which provides a permanent door close power feed to the motor, and also a power feed to the motor up direction for the duration of the motor run timer. Make sure the auto locks aren't trapped and turn on the power supply. The RS1 control unit red LED should turn on, and the status LED on the circuit board should be green. Press the RS1 button once and the roller barrel will revolve in the up direction. Double check the open LED is displayed as switched on correctly. Operate the RS1 button again so that the roller tube barrel revolves in the closed direction and stops. Double check the close light is on at this time. When stopped, make slight adjustments to close limit switch position as needed and attach the auto locks. Secure the auto lock rings with the fixtures provided. The RS1 button and key fobs work in impulse logic, and it is possible to make slight adjustments to achieve correct auto lock pressure. Open the door and use the open limit adjuster to stop the door in the recommended position, with the lower door slat and seal within the door guides. Once the limits are set, option switch 3 is normally turned off. The limits on this door have already been set, and so now we're ready to install the RollSmart track. Operate the door and switch it off when it reaches chest height. For reliable operation, it is essential that the magnet sensor is fitted in the correct position. Carefully move the door curtain and bottom rail over so that there is no free play at the back of the door guide, and mark the bottom rail with a pencil in line with the inner edge of the door guide. The sensor magnet should be fitted 10 mm further away from this pencil line position. As a guide, the key fob casing is just 10 mm wide. Drill and fit the magnet sensor with the screws provided. Extra short screws are provided for compact doors. As a guide, the key fob casing is just 10 mm wide. Close the door onto the floor. Ensure the face of the door guide is clean and wipe off any dust. The RollSmart track is fitted level with the bottom of the sensor magnet and in line with the inner edge of the door guide. Peel off the film fitted to the adhesive tape on the back of the RollSmart track and fix the track to the door guide. Secure the wire with the adhesive tabs provided. Fully open the door and switch it off. Cut off excess wiring and connect the RollSmart cable. Connections for a single size door fitted with one RollSmart track are white wired to 0V, green wired to RA1, brown wired to 12V. Once you've finished this, turn back on the system. To commission, press the RS1 operating button for 1 second, wait 2 seconds and then press the RS1 button again and the door will close. The door should stop just before it touches the floor and then partially reopen, confirming correct setup. Note, do not stop the door during the door close setup cycle. If you make a mistake, simply open the door and repeat the door close procedure.